I'm Bhaskar Mulugu. I'm the Vice President, Head of Data Engineering and Enterprise Architecture at Vialto Partners. At Vialto Partners, we are expertise in global mobility services. So at any organization, the data is critical nowadays because data makes you think predictive, and we can do lots of wonders with the insights. We can deliver best customer experience, and as well we can focus on the top level margin and bottom level margin, increase the company revenue and process improvements. That's where TrustLogix plays a major role. We kind of created role-based access controls and attribute-based access controls, etc., so that we can make the system very secure. And we opened up for the users. They started adapting it, and we are able to build quite a few data products. Hence, things are working really well for us. What I did as a VP of engineering is I set up the foundational platform first with the help of Snowflake and TrustLogix and a couple of other vendors. That's the first thing. We ingested quite a few data from business applications and data sources from enterprise applications, and then we rolled out the platform for users to use it. Being serving tax and immigration, business travel, etc., we are in highly regulated industry. So what that means is we have lots of sensitive information. We have to be very careful what we are doing. Hence, first thing what we did is putting the governance fabric. Second thing is, since we are spread across the world, our data has to be governed very well. So we go to the low level, implement. We needed two things. One, dynamic masking or anonymization. That was a need from lots of clients. RBAC and ABAC and masking, various techniques. That way the data is not lost anywhere. That's very important for us. But the thing is, Snowflake, there is a reason why we chose it. First thing, we kind of came up with a framework. Ease of use is the number one thing. And cost should be optimal because our growth is going to be highly potential. The couple of other things which we liked from the Snowflake is separating the compute versus the storage. We can control, that helped us. And quite a few metrics dashboards that helped us saying who is doing what and things like that. Dynamic masking is another thing that really helped us. We wanted a vendor who can work with the Snowflake, be faster integrating with the Snowflake and make it right. So TrustLogix got 100 marks on that one. And the second thing was we needed a simple interface, simple user interface to key in the policies and things like that. We don't want to complicate the life of data. Everything is a CLI driven. That's what we like about Snowflake. It's performant. That's the number one thing. Every response size kind of a second responses. Huge query for analytics is taking way faster than what we thought initially. That's what about Snowflake. And TrustLogix, obviously, I think they beat our expectations.